Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the adaptive brightness on your display for your Steam Deck. Otherwise, you can easily adjust it. So if you don't know, you can press this button right here in the bottom left or the bottom right. And then you can go on down to the quick settings menu. And then you have the brightness option right here. Otherwise, what we could do is press the Steam button or keep pressing B. And it will bring up this screen right here. We can go on down to settings. Press A on this, scroll on down to where it says display. Then we have the slider for brightness right here, but right under that we have adaptive brightness. So if you take this from a bright area to a not bright area, the display will automatically adjust for you. And I believe that might be on by default, so you might want to turn that on or off. And then we have the different color adjustments right here, and we can adjust the display. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.